Translating from English into our mother tongue. We search for the information regarding various topics on the internet with the help of the websites. We search different websites for the information about a topic through the search engine. Normally, the information found on these websites is in the English language. This information can be translated in our mother tongue with the help of the facilities provided by a number of websites. This video shows us a list of the names of websites and the links which offer us the facility of translation. 1. Google Translate. 2. Yandex Translate. 3. Bing Translator. 4. Reverso. 5. Translate Dict. The facility provided by Google is Google Translate, which is the most widely used facility for translation. Translation service developed by Google for translating the text from the language into another language and for translating the websites. Google Translation is a free, multilingual, and technical machine. Google has started this service on 28th April 2006. Google Translate has provided the facility of translation into 109 languages till March 2020. To view how the Google Translate service can be used for translating, we have to type the web address in the address bar of the web browser and then press the Enter key. Google Translate can be used for translating. In the Google Translate window, we can see two sections. 1. We have to type the text in the source language in the first section. Then we can select the language of the text by clicking on the arrow of Detect Language and selecting the source language from the given options. 2. This section is for having the text translated in the language of our choice. For selecting the language for the translation, click on the arrow in this section and select our mother tongue like Hindi from the given options for languages. To understand the activity shown in the video, we will see a demonstration. National Game of India. Let us translate the article into Hindi. To open this article, type this address into the address bar of the web browser and press the Enter key. Culture India website will get opened on the screen. Select this information from this website, right-click on the selected information and copy this information. To paste this information, right-click and paste the copied information into the first section of Google Translate and select the Hindi language for the translation and translate it. In the right-hand section, you will get the Hindi translation of the article.